have, so once you find, okay, of course I have to pick up
X
one
and
of them.
double X.
Yeah, let's put single, I don't care when it, let's put both, put all the double X's in there.
Seeing single in here.
Yeah, that'll work.
That's a good way to do it. Easy to follow directions.
Where do you want the cones to be set for now?
Let's, oh, for right now? Yeah. Just anywhere there, but I will photograph them as well. Okay. I have no idea. We'll see.
It's an experiment.
Are we using all three of these?
That's what we decided.
What's that?
Now I would like some.
So they're getting ready to start the first real firing of the conference. Well, I fired a little pot this morning, but it was very small and brief, and there was nobody here but me and Arturo. So this is actually an experimental kiln. Most of this black on white Anasazi style pottery is smothered in what's called a trench kiln. And so they're trying to figure out if maybe some of this pottery was fired without smothering, and so they're trying different things to see, you know, what works. And so this is going to be an experimental non-smothered fire. So that's what's going on here, and it's kind of late in the day, so probably go, you know, into the night. We'll see how it turns out.
One that it doesn't matter.
Can you guys?
We have the photo.
No, other way. Out, out, out. Ah. This is supposed to be science right now. Hey, Tori. Tori, did you photograph yours at home? How about you hold them into the light? Do a paper.
She's worse than
Watch
Siri.
watch my friggin' battery do that. Oh, goodness.
So if they advertise this stuff,
Yeah.
I'd stick with it.
And for everybody else, I know you're fascinated, but this is the most dangerous part of the firing. So I would like everybody to stay back a minimum of 10 feet. I know, I'm sorry.
It's awesome, isn't it?
So,
Come on, guys, leave some fire out there. Can't cover
we
it all
could
with
use
rock.
some flashlights, actually, for reals. I can use light.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's like a concert. Thank you.
Oh, that's way better.
Do you guys ever do the sand sprinkle on your...
Oh, would you please come home with me, people? I would love you to come with my house when I fire. So much easier. Almost like on a side.
Okay, you know when you're MIG welding and you run out of... No.
Yeah, cover his.
Yeah.
And bread on it.
Bridge there. Oh, yeah.
I made a cool pot.
Prop it up.
These
Long with a hollow to it.
That's
So you
nice.
jam a
holes.
stick in
That's,
it.
I just like. Who's got the heaviest one?
This is...
That's pretty good.
This isn't too bad.
That's too big.
Pretty big.
The end of it, you can snap it off.
Limited air.
Fuel air mixture.
Also experimental.
Just barely starting to sizzle. So let me check this in. Just a little bit longer on them. They're not quite hot. All right.
After all the discord that we've had to suffer through, and all of the
Ridiculous
segregation and
Oh, you
isolation,
mean for reals?
yeah,
Come
for
on.
the past
Set
year,
the pot.
Year and a
I
half.
want to just say this is so great to come
Amen.
together with the community, and we hope that this fire proves that love conquers hate.
Yeah.
Well said.
Well, I love stuff like this. I love when teams, people come together, and you miss this when you fire at home by yourself. So notes say that we're igniting the full length of the kiln. Versus on, watch the airflow. We'll all back off and we can for a minute to kind of get
At
a sense.
8:12.
At 8:12.
I know you do. You want to get that?
So I think. Yeah. I'm just
Speaking about in fire safety and everything.
I'm guarding one of them.
So really more, we still are, we need to get this corner going.
Yeah, this corner.
This corner's not going at all, so
This,
can we just
tell me
get-
where? Right here?
No,
Fire down in Arizona. Yeah, you start.
First shot, huh, Rod?
That's 9,000.
I was just about to tell you.
Yeah, anybody have any? Yeah, we'll try to set them up.
That's at the right angle to get that or not.
We'll set them out.
And then all your pots are over on that tarp.
Okay.
That's all the pots are going to try to get them out of here.
You're good. No, go for it. We're good.
Yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't move stuff around because there's people putting stuff down there.